Good morning, dear children. In our GK class today, we will start a new topic, that is life underwater, which is given on page number 21. So, here in this chapter, you will be knowing of a lot of aquatic animals. Uh, these animals mainly are found in the oceans or the seas. Okay, so let us read what is given in your chapter. Here on the at the very top, you are already familiar with him. It is Noe. Okay, with it is Noe, and what it is saying, let us hear first. The animals which live or in or near water are called aquatic animals. So the animals you find in the animals you find in water or near water, or they live in water, are called aquatic animals, like fishes, whales, seahorse, octopus, crab. So they are all aquatic animals. Let us learn about different types of fish. So here in this chapter you are going to learn about different fishes. The first ship mentioned in your chapter is the king of fishes, and it is among the most dangerous fish available. So you already know the name, they are sharks. So sharks can swim very fast and live mostly in oceans. There are more than 300 types of sharks. So you mostly find sharks in oceans, and they are some of its breeds or are very dangerous in nature. So I have already told you that these are some of the dangerous creatures available on earth. Okay, so they are basically fast swimmers, and about or more than 300 types of sharks are available on the planet earth. Okay, then the next one in line is dolphins. So they are some of the prettiest and clever creatures available on earth. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, playfulness, and friendliness to humans. They eat other fishes and sea animals. So dolphins are human friendly fishes. They are known for their intelligence. They are among the creatures which are known for its intelligence. They are very playful in nature. They used to play, make different types of dives. Okay, and they are friend to humans. Okay, and also it is given in your book that they eat other fishes and sea animals. The next one in line is jellyfish. Jellyfish are so called because around 90% of their body is jelly like. A jellyfish has an umbrella like body. So mainly these jellyfish has an umbrella like shape. Also, why they are called jellyfish? Because most of their body part is like jelly. Okay, so about 90% of their body is jelly like structure, so they are called jellyfish. Okay, the next one, the blue whales are the largest animals on earth. A blue whale can be as heavy as 20 animals. So these you might have heard about this earlier also, that blue whales are the heaviest and the largest creatures available on earth. Okay, so the blue whales are the largest animal on earth. A blue whale can be as heavy as 20 elephants. Means blue whales can be as heavy as the weight of 20 elephants. Okay, then at the last, quick quiz is given for you. So you need to circle the animals which are not aquatic. I have already mentioned that the animals which live in or near water are aquatic animals. So you can easily circle the odd one out here. Seahorse, you can easily recognize that they live in sea or ocean. Owl, is it an aquatic animal? Yes or no? No, it is not an aquatic animal. Octopus again is an aquatic animal. You find octopus in water. Okay, so here you have to circle rat, which is not an aquatic animal. Also the owl. Also an owl is, you have to circle the owl. Okay, that's all from this chapter, children. Thank you, class.